Back to IFX Academy's daily analysis, guys. Yesterday we were buying this, guys. We almost hit our target, and we are still on the upside. But now I would prefer taking profits here and switching my side to bearish. Today, guys, as long as the price stays below 1.35223, guys, I am a seller. My first target would be, guys, 1.34782, and after that, guys, I would gun for 1.34537. Guys, I would only start buying this if the price breaks above 1.35 triple three. After that, guys, my target would be, here we go, my target would be, guys, 1.35911. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys tomorrow, and wishing you guys the best of luck.